1. A factory discovered that one of its machines was unsafe to operate. The government inspector issued a shutdown order until the repairs were completed. Production stopped for several days. 2. A chemical spill threatened a nearby neighborhood. Local officials issued an evacuation order for everyone living within the affected area. Residents quickly left their homes and moved to emergency shelters. 3. A hospital needed more medical supplies after a severe storm. The administration issued an emergency purchase order for additional medicine and protective equipment. The supplies arrived later that evening. 4. A company planned to replace all of its old office chairs. The manager approved a purchase order for 100 ergonomic chairs. The manufacturer began production immediately. 5. A family had lived in an apartment without paying rent for several months. The court issued an eviction order after reviewing the case. The family had to move out by the stated deadline.